So we needed a scalable solution that would respond to entirely unpredictable and potentially very high demands. We wanted a solution where we didn't have a whole lot of redundant hardware sitting there doing nothing for the 99% of the time when the volumes are low. And fundamentally that nothing that happened with the Big Brother service should affect the existing and core Demand5 and Channel5.com.
Businesses would use a hybrid cloud model that are massively peaky sites. For example, Big Brother airs at 9 o'clock at night. All the people who are going to hit the site are going to go on at 9 o'clock. At 3 o'clock in the morning, most people are in bed. Are they not going to use it?
The cloud offers you sort of the ability to scale your environment during those periods and then to obviously scale back down. So you basically, the old way of doing things would be dedicated infrastructure where you would essentially be paying for a massively overspec'd environment all year round, where you're only really using that for 5–10% of the year, even though you have massive revenues during those periods, so you have to cater for it, but it's not really appropriate for sort of 90% of the time.
The main result was meeting the expected launch spike without a problem. Claranet have always been up for the challenge of the difficult requirements that we set, the tight timelines, the quick turnarounds, and are always willing to innovate and find different solutions to the briefs that we are permanently throwing at them. Big Brother's had a really positive effect on our traffic levels throughout. We've had a doubling of unique visitors, page views and video views over the period, more than doubling in fact. Is bring a very valuable young audience, and so I suppose a lot of our activity, particularly in the digital space, was to try and find a way to reach them more easily. So we've done a lot of work with Twitter and Facebook to integrate that with the proposition, and that's a way we hope it will appeal to that younger audience. And maybe the one change that we're looking to make is just to make it a little bit more fun. Perhaps not quite as serious as Channel 4 made it sometimes. And it's just entertainment after all.